approach Airpod 1, 1,300, descending via Silicon 6 and have zone.
Airpod 1, roger. American 2834, turn right direct glide.
American 2834, right turn, direct glide.
Flight 601, you're 7 miles from contact, turn left heading 330, maintain 3000 until salvage from the localizer, cleared ILS, runway 30 left approach.
330, 3000, cleared ILS, 30 left, flight 60.
Southwest 4258, reduce speed to 210.
Phone 210, Southwest 4258.
Flight 601, maintain
airport in sight.
170 to 5 out, flight 6.
Sight?
American 2834,
I think
5 miles
so.
flight outer
Doesn't
above
really matter,
5000,
but
cleared instrument approach, runway 30 left.
pretty sure that's the airport.
Right to
Might be wrong though.
The white spot over there?
I think so, yeah.
And we're clear for the instrument approach 30 left, American 2834.
American 2834, outer above 5, please.
Apologies, at or above 5 for climb.
Southwest 4258, reduce speed to 210, cross glide outer above 5000, cleared instrument approach, runway 30 left.
Southwest 4258, cross glide out above 5000, phone 210, cleared instrument approach 30 left.
Flight 601, 170 till 5 mile final, contact San Jose Tower 124.0, good day.
I don't think I ever heard that cleared instrument approach.
Yeah. Which one?
It's the same as your, just slow down.
Yeah, slow down.
729, Lima level 6000.
American 2834, reduce speed now to 170, making that till a 5 mile final.
175 mile final, American 2834.
Airpod 1, NorCal approach, San Jose altimeter 3014, cross glide outer above 5000, cleared instrument approach, runway 30 left.
3014, instrument approach, 30 left, Airpod 1.
Airpod 1, certified glide outer above 5000.
At or above 5,000. Right?
1-4.
1-4.
Kilo Bravo level 6000, direct FB.
And 10 chicks.
And I'm putting 5 on the altitude, just for that glide 5 and above.
Yeah.
144, Kilo Bravo.
And 10 check is good, go ahead.
Okay, seat belts, we got them. Crew belts.
Left.
Right.
Tiger
AP
2861,
on the
level
ground,
5500,
hydraulics.
and I have the
Auto,
weather for
avionics
all
are set
search.
for approach. Before landing next.
San Jose altimeter is going to be 3014.
01461. NorCal approach, Skyline 729, Echo Lima, level 6000.
Number 17, Echo Lima, NorCal approach, San Jose altimeter 3014.
3014, 9 Echo Lima.
And number 9, Echo Lima.
Oh, yeah, now I see it for sure.
Line maintain 7000, 9 Echo Lima.
Yeah, me too.
American.
American.
Southwest 4258, reduce speed to 170, making that till a 5 mile final.
130 knots to 5 miles, Southwest 4258.
American 2834, contact San Jose Tower 124.0, just maintain that 170 till a 5 mile final, please.
175 mile final, 240 for tower, American 2834. Good day.
November 18, November, contact NorCal approach 124.52.
124.52, 18 November.
Number 464, Kilo Bravo, descend and maintain 5,100.
Down to 5,100, 464, Kilo Bravo.
Number 17, Echo Lima, contact NorCal approach on 124.52.
This is 12452, 9 Echo Lima. Approach airdrop 1, leaving 7,500 for 13.5.
Airdrop 1, NorCal approach, block 5332, San Jose altimeter 3014.
3014, squawk 5332, airdrop 1.
Airpod 1, reduce speed to 210 or less.
210 on the speed airborne.
Airdrop 1, your radar contact, 8 miles southeast of San
210 or less.
Yep.
Tell them a little bit.
13,500 with a 2-minute call, airdrop 1.
Airdrop 1, roger. Southwest 4258, 170 till 5 mile final, contact San Jose Tower 124.0. You have a good day.
175 Tower, Southwest 4258, 2.
Number 7 Alpha Foxtrot, contact NorCal approach on 127.15, 2715. Have a good day.
2715, 557 Alpha Foxtrot.
NorCal Sky 60 Whiskey Golf, 4,800, climbing 5,000, 160 heading.
We're 6 for Whiskey Golf, NorCal approach, the San Jose altimeter 3014, climb and maintain 7,000.
Maintain 7,000, 6 for Whiskey Golf.
NorCal approach here at 861 Foxtrot at 3,500.
1, 2.
Envoy 3851, NorCal, you here? Number 86 Foxtrot, North California, San Jose, altimeter 301.
Altimeter 301, 86 Foxtrot. Falcon approach, Sierra to Quebec Alpha, 8500, and we'll be descending for Palo Alto, we have X-ray.
Aircraft flow and approach, just ident. Number 420,
Okay, localize is green.
Road, altimeter 3014.
014, 40 Quebec Alpha.
Approach runway 3851, 10,400, descending via the Silicon 6,
Flaps down, please.
8,000 with
Select
hotel.
and speed checked.
Envoy 3851, North California, 10 via the arrival at Clyde, cleared approach, runway 30 left.
And
Light
light slope green.
And via the arrival at
1900,
Clyde, cleared,
please.
approach 30 left, envoy
Thank you.
3851.
AirPod 1, reduce speed to 160, contact San Jose Tower 124.0.
Over the tower, 160 on the speed, airborne ones, yeah.
Number 4, we
Flaps 20.
91, contact
North Cal
departure.
Order North Cal, Southwest 1091, thanks.
Tower low, AirPod 1 inbound, ILS 30 left.
AirPod 1, San Jose Tower, runway 30 left, clear to land.
30 left, clear to land, AirPod 1.
Southwest 4258, reduce to final.
Southwest 4258, long.
Flexjet 601, left on Juliet, contact ground.
Left to Juliet, call ground, Flexjet 601.
Southwest 4334, runway 30 right, full length, clear for takeoff.
30 right, clear for takeoff, Southwest 4334.
Flexjet 489, San Jose Tower, runway 30 right at Bravo, line up and wait.
I hate to tell you this, Flexjet 489, I got one guy that got up and used the restroom, so I'm going to have to wait.
Flexjet 489, roger, hold short runway 30 right at Bravo.
Hold short, 30 right on Bravo, Flexjet 489.
And Flexjet 489, do you know if it's going to be a while or a short time?
Number 1 or number 2?
It's a great question, so I'm going to keep an eye out. I can see the door, so I'll let you know as soon as I see him come back.
Roger, I got you loud and clear.
He had to
Southwest
ask that.
4334, contact NorCal departure.
Over departure, have a great day, Southwest 4334.
United 431, runway San Jose Tower, runway 30 right, full length, clear for takeoff.
30 right, full length, clear for takeoff, United 431.
American 2834, right on Kilo, hold short runway 30 right, traffic departing.
Right on Kilo, hold short at 30 right, American 2834. Alright, you can put Flexjet 49 back in queue.
Roger, stay by.
United 431, just want to confirm it was good for takeoff.
United 431, that is correct, runway 30 right, full length, clear
Gear
for
down,
takeoff.
please.
30 right, full length, clear for takeoff, United 431.
And flaps full.
3 green, speed check, flaps full, we're clear. Alright. Ready for checklist?
Yes, for landing checks.
Landing gear down 3 green, 30.
Confirmed.
Landing clearance received. And exterior lights are on. Right, clear to land.
Okay.
Southwest 4258, right on Juliet, hold short runway 30 right, traffic departing.
Right on Juliet, hold short 30 right, Southwest 4258.
Nav 431, contact NorCal departure.
Apache Snow 431, good day.
Southwest 4258, cross runway 30 right at Juliet, contact ground.
Cross 30 right at Juliet, go to ground, Southwest 4258 too.
American 2834, cross runway 30 right at Kilo, contact ground.
30 right at Kilo, go to ground. American 2834.
Inflection at 489. Currently in hold from NorCal. We'll get you moving as soon as I can.
Alright, we understand. 49, thank you. Hold short. Tower Envoy 3851, about 10 miles out on the ILS30 left.
Envoy 3851, San Jose Tower, runway 30 left.
Minimums.
Landing?
30 left, clear to land, Envoy 3851.
100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Spoilers. Reverser screen. $80 knots.
Checked. And left on Juliet.
AirPod 1, left on Juliet, contact ground.
Juliet over the ground, AirPod 1. Have a good day.
Bonanza 31 Romeo, San Jose Tower, on frequency.
31 Romeo's ready.
Bonanza 31 Romeo, do me a favor, doing 180 on the taxiway, hold short runway 30 right at, correction, hold short 30 left at Charlie.
APU coming up.
Hold short 30 left at Charlie.
Compton.
Compton.
Ground below AirPod 1 vacated 30 left at Juliet to signature.
AirPod 1, San Jose ground, taxi Victor, Victor 5, signature.
Victor 5, AirPod 1.
Victor is the next one, right? Yes.
Yes, the next on the left.
Okay, left, right, clear.
Right, clear, yep.
Southwest 4233 down here at 19 push.
Southwest
After landing complete,
4233,
right clear.
San Jose ground,
Okay.
please approve.
Push Bruce Southwest 4233, we do have India for now.
Thank you.
And you said Victor 1, right?
Victor 5.
Oh, 5, okay. Sorry, that. Yeah, that makes more sense.
Yeah, it's here.
Okay. Probably next to that Vista.
Yeah.
Left side clear.
Right is clear too.
Let's see, this guy doesn't look like a marshal. I think you're just parking next to...
I'll contact them.
Yeah. You'll have a call.
Stay on 1, that's ground.
Okay.
Second. I want 2.
I got 1.
Signature Challenger 971 Mike Charlie.
Last aircraft on frequency for signature San Jose.
Yeah, Challenger 971 Mike Charlie. We entered the ramp at Victor 5. Where do you want us to proceed?
Just a minute, Captain. My guys were expecting you at the south. It'll just be a minute until you see one of my line guys to get you on the line. Your passengers have checked in already for your departure, just a heads up.
Alright, sounds good. It's a different crew, and that's the instructions were given by ground. So we'll wait here and wait for the marshal. Thank you for the help, sir.
You're welcome. My guy in a golf cart is coming on his way now.
Yeah, we see him.
Oh yeah, we see him now. Thank you so much.
Should have bought a faster golf cart.
The ground south 4233.
The 4233.
Is that 2123 time still good?
That's 4233, affirmative. We'll get you going down to the end as soon as you're ready. There's a whole line at the end.
Dot. Ground number 3851, clearing runway 30 right at Juliet, going to gate Alpha 8.
Envoy 3851, sounds the ground, taxi Zulu to the gate.
Zulu to the gate, Envoy 3851.